Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Money Network mobile app not working. To fix this issue, first you have to make sure that your internet connection is working fine. For that, you have to scroll down your status bar and try to switch between your mobile data and your Wi-Fi. After that, you have to open your mobile network app and see if your issue will be fixed or not. If you are still facing this issue, then you have to scroll down your status bar again. After that, you have to click on aeroplane mode for 5 seconds. After waiting for 5 seconds, you have to click on it again and now your mobile network will be resetted. After that, you have to open your mobile network app and see if your issue will be fixed or not. If you are still facing this issue, then you have to just go to your mobile network website, and after that you have to go to customer support and tell them that you are facing this issue. They will help you for further assistance. Hopefully these method will help you to fix your issues. Thanks for watching.